Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button and choose all from the option.
We will learn how we can work with the pen tool, how the shapes are created using the pen tool. Okay, then we will, after you learn how to work with the pen tool, then we will create the violin shape completely from the scratch. Okay, so we have couple of files in this folder. You can see the start one file. In this file we are going to learn how we can create some zigzag lines. As you can see here, there are some zigzag lines shown in the background. So you can take the pen tool. This is the pen tool. So pen tool is used for creating any custom shapes, whatever shapes you want to create yourself, or is some custom shapes you can do with the pen tool, like curve shapes or any other corner shapes or different shapes. So take the pen tool, and to create zigzag line is very simple. As you can see, there are some points given here. You just need to click on these points to create the zigzag lines like this. So whenever you click on each points, it will generate a complete. Once you click 2 points, it will complete a line segment. Okay, like this. So this one is zigzag lines, and then you can see a work area is also there. You can try it without the background also. So you can just use the pen tool and you can try it without the background like this. Okay, so the work area is for try it yourself without the background. So first you can try with the background, and then you can try in the work area without the background. So then you can go to the second file. In the second file you can see also uh, another shape. So this is also a simple shape. You can use you can create it using the pen tool with the straight line segments. So you can start from here and then click on another endpoint, then again on another endpoint, then again on another endpoint, then click on this corner, and then again click on this corner, and then again click on this corner. So now we can see I created that shape using the pen tool. So we can try also at the bottom without the uh, background. So if you need a specific measurement, you can try also with that measurement, or you can just try without the measurement also like this. Okay, and then we go to the third file. In the third file we are going to create a curved shape. Okay, so how we can create curved shape? So you can see there are two drawings, A and B. So in the A drawing you can see a curved shape is created here. So we will try to create the on top of that we will create a shape with the pen tool. So take the pen tool, and once you create a curved shape, you can simply first you click on a point to start the line, and then click on the next click on the end point and drag. So once you drag, you can see it creates a curved uh, line, but you can see that the curved line is not according to the background shape. It is not a perfect round. Okay, so sometimes in these cases you can do one thing. Once you start the uh, line, you can just first you click and drag up. So once you click and drag up, what you can see is it will create a handle. We can see two lines are going up and down. So these are called handles. So the handles will make the lines more smoother. Once you create handles, it will, these are called Bezier handles. It will create the lines more smoother. Now we can see once I click on the next point and drag, now we can see we get the desired result according to the background shape. So by creating the handles, the Bezier handles, you will be able to curve of the shape. Okay, so then we will go to the B drawing. In the B drawing we will do the same thing, but we will create a repetitive curves, okay, in a reversed manner. So you can take the pen tool and you just click on the starting point, click and drag up like this to create the initial curve, and then you can click on the next point, click and drag down like this, then again click on the next point, drag down like this. Time we just click on each anchor points and drag to make the curves reversed like this. Okay, so this is much easier to create because the curve is reversed. Already it is reversed, so it is much easier to create. like this. Okay, so we can you can try this with in the work area also without the background also. And then we will go to the next file. In the next fifth file we can see uh, two drawings also there, A and B. So we will try to create these curves here. So take the pen tool from here. So here you can see, unlike in the last drawing we have seen, it is not reversed. The curves comes in the same direction. So we need to make some couple of changes once you work in this one. So the starting is similar. You can just click and drag to create a Bezier handle, and then click on the next anchor point and drag to create the curve. And now we can see, because always the next curve will start reversed. As you can see, the curve will start reversed. So here I want to start the next curve in the same direction. So we need to create a new handle in the same direction. You can see there is one Bezier handle already there, but we need to switch the bottom handle which is coming down to the top side, so that our curve direction will start again from the top side. So for that, what you can do is just hold on Alt on the keyboard and then click on this anchor point and drag up. So once you do that, you can see the bottom Bezier handle is deleted and a new handle is created to the top side. So the result is, now we can see that a new curve shape starts to the top side. Now we can see the curve direction change to the top side. Okay, so you need to repeat the same thing every time. Now I just creates the curves again, and now you will repeat the same thing. You hold on Alt on the keyboard, click on this point and drag up to create a new handle like this. So again it switches the direction to the top side, and do the same thing, click and drag up like this. And then again I will create a new handle up by deleting the handle down. So you press Alt on the keyboard and drag up, and then again repeat the same thing like this. And again click on the bottom point and drag up, and then again I will click on this point and drag like this. Okay, now we can see that the curves are created, okay, in same direction. Now we go to the B drawing. In the B drawing we will try to create the curves, and then you can see there are straight lines, and then again it switches the direction to the bottom, and then again straight line, then again switches the direction. So how we can create this one, we will check. So you will start with the pen tool in the same way. We can just click and drag up to create a Bezier handle. If you want, sometimes if it is not coming straight, you can hold down Shift also. Once you create the Bezier handles, if you hold down Shift, it will create it straighter like this. And then again you click on the next anchor point and drag up, so that the curves comes according to the background curve. And now we can see the next a line is a straight line, it is not a curved line. So we have to delete the handle which is coming down. Okay, so once you delete, we will not create a new one, but we will delete the existing bottom handle. So for that you can press Alt on the keyboard and click on the anchor point. So once you do that, what happens is it deletes the bottom Bezier handle and it makes the line straighter. Now we can see it will not make any curved lines. Now we can see once you delete the bottom handle, it makes the next line straighter. So just click on the next anchor point to create a straight segment. Now again you can see it is a curved line. So whenever you need a curved line, you create a Bezier handle. Whenever you need a straight line, you delete the Bezier handle. So now I need a Bezier handle. I will create a Bezier handle to the bottom side to create the curves. So you hold on Alt on the keyboard, click on drag from this anchor point to create a new handle down, and now again click on the next point and drag to create a arc shape. Okay, now we can see again we will click on this anchor point to delete the handle. You can hold on Alt and click on this point to delete the handle, and again you can just click on the next point here, and we can click, hold on Alt on the keyboard, click and drag up to create a new handle up to create a new curve. Now we can see the curve comes like this, and then click on this point and drag to create the hand, to create the curve. So that's all you can see. Now we can see the curves are coming, straight lines are there in between, then we reverse the line. So whenever you want curved lines, you need to click and drag to create a Bezier handle to create the curves, and if you need straight lines you need to delete the Bezier handles. So that is the concept to work with the pen tool. So once you understand this concept, you can create any shapes using the pen tool. We can create curved shapes or straight lines using the pen tool.